Are you looking for the best camera drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camera drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo is a lightweight and portable mini drone designed for content creators and casual users seeking an easy-to-fly aerial camera. Weighing just 135 g, it doesn't require FAA registration in many regions, making it ideal for beginners and travelers. The drone features a 4K UHD camera with stabilized video, ensuring smooth footage even during dynamic movements. Its AI subject tracking allows it to follow users automatically, while quick shots modes enable creative shots with minimal effort. The DJI Neo offers multiple control options, including palm takeoff and landing, voice commands, and a mobile app, providing flexibility in operation. For added safety, it comes with built-in propeller guards, and its foldable design ensures easy portability. Whether you're capturing vlogs, hiking adventures, or family gatherings, the DJI Neo offers a user-friendly experience with impressive features at an accessible price point. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K is a compact and user-friendly drone designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts seeking high-quality aerial footage. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use in many regions, making it an accessible option for casual flyers. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, the Mini 4K captures smooth and vibrant video, even in challenging conditions. Its intelligent flight features include quick shots for automated cinematic shots, GPS-based return to home, RTH, for added safety, and a 31-minute maximum flight time, allowing for extended exploration. The drone also boasts a 10 km video transmission range, providing a clear and responsive live feed from the sky. With wind resistance up to 38 km per hour, level 5, the Mini 4K performs reliably in various weather conditions, enhancing its versatility for outdoor adventures. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, family gatherings, or travel experiences, the DJI Mini 4K offers a blend of portability, performance, and ease of use, making it a standout choice in its category. Number 3. RADCLO Mini Drone. The RADCLO Mini Drone with camera is an affordable and beginner-friendly drone designed for both kids and adults. Weighing just 95 grams, it falls under the 250 g threshold, making it exempt from FAA registration in many countries. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it allows users to capture clear aerial photos and videos. The drone features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold for stable hovering, and 360 degrees flips for added fun. It comes with two 800 mAh batteries, offering up to 22 minutes of flight time, and includes a carrying case for easy transport. Ideal for beginners, it provides an accessible entry point into drone flying without a steep learning curve. Number 4. HONIVON Drone. The HONIVON 4K brushless motor drone is a user-friendly quadcopter designed for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 250 grams, it typically doesn't require FAA registration in many regions, making it ideal for casual flyers. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it allows users to capture clear aerial photos and videos. The drone features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold for stable hovering, and 360 degrees flips for added fun. It comes with two 800 mAh batteries, offering up to 22 minutes of flight time, and includes a carrying case for easy transport. Ideal for beginners, it provides an accessible entry point into drone flying without a steep learning curve. Number 5. Ameta S50 Lite FPV Drone. The Ameta S50 Lite 4K GPS drone is a compact and user-friendly quadcopter designed for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it qualifies for recreational use without the need for FAA registration in many regions. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera powered by a Sony IMX258 sensor and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it captures clear and stable aerial footage. The drone features GPS precision with intelligent return to home (RTH) functions, including one key RTH, low battery RTH, and lost signal RTH, ensuring safe and reliable flights. With brushless motors, it offers stable and quiet performance, making it suitable for various skill levels. The S50 Lite includes dual batteries, providing up to 50 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended exploration and content creation. Additionally, it supports intelligent flight modes such as follow me, gesture control, rocket, circle fly, panorama, time-lapse, and far away, enabling users to capture dynamic shots effortlessly. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're capturing landscapes, family events, or creative content, the Ameta S50 Lite offers an accessible entry point into drone flying with impressive features and performance.